I was looking through Steph's new book, Easy Dinner Queen, and do you know what grabbed my attention?
What?
Your chocolate muffins.
I know, they're pretty chocolatey and very delicious.
So there's 3 chocolate components.
I know, so that's why they're called triple the goodness chocolate muffins, because they're triple choc.
So good. And what I love about it is all happening in one
bowl. I know, the last chapter of my book is all one bowl treats, so less washing up and easier to do, and no machines.
I love it. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to start with our wet ingredients.
Okay.
So we have got some oil here. So you use oil in one bowl cakes and bakes more often, so you don't have to cream the butter and the sugar together.
Okay.
So that's a little secret. Then we have a couple of googie eggs.
I think this chapter is going to be your most popular one because any excuse not to do more washing up is a winner, right?
And not to get out of mixing like an electric machine. And then we have some yogurt. Now, yogurt I love in cakes because it makes it beautiful and soft.
Yes, absolutely.
I love that. So that goes in there. So we just give that a little mixy.
Yep.
Break all those eggs up and sort of combine it. And then we are going to add our dry ingredients straight into this beautiful bowl of goodness.
So, caster sugar.
Caster sugar.
Rain that in for you.
Yes. Some flour.
Self-raising flour.
Yes, self-raising flour.
Okay, we've measured that out.
Yep, beautiful. Then we're going in with the cocoa.
Yes, cocoa powder, so there's a lot of that.
Yes, I know, because that's what makes it delicious.
So good.
And then we have got some bicarb soda, just a teaspoon. Now, this I learnt from the ladies in the Women's Weekly Test Kitchen, and that just makes them extra fudgy and extra delicious.
Fantastic.
And now we're going in with our 2 different types of chocolate chips. So I've got dark and light chocolate.
I like the idea of also adding some berries to this, like some raspberries, although then it would take away a little bit of the chocolate.
Yeah, but that's
Which you wouldn't
okay.
want it.
I wouldn't worry too much. Lovely.
And all of
Yeah,
that.
all of that in. And just give this a little mix just to make sure it's all combined so there's those chocolate chips in every single bite.
So easy.
I know, right? So we're just going to use a ice cream scoop here to pop them into the pan. So I'm going to do about 1.5 because I want them to be nice and full and delicious.
That's the perfect amount, isn't it?
Yeah, you want them to be kind of puffing up out of those. So we're going to do this and then we are going to pop them in the oven, 180 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Okay, easy.
Done. So now we're going to make a little ganache to go on the top of our muffins once they've cooled. So we just brought some cream up to the boil, and what we are going to do is just pour that over the top of our chocolate. Now, it's best if we let that sit for just a minute or so, and that way the chocolate will start to melt. We'll give that a little mixy, and then our ganache will be done.
All right, this is my favourite part when it's piping hot and it just starts to melt.
It's kind of fun, isn't it? I kind of like it. And it goes like it's going to split and it's not going to be right, and then all of a sudden it just comes together and it's beautiful and rich and chocolatey. So we'll need to let that cool, and we'll need to let our muffins cool, and then we can top the muffins with that beautiful icing.
Sounds good.
So our ganache is cooled, so you can see how lovely and thick and shiny that is now.
Ooh, yes.
So it's like icing consistency, and obviously our muffins need to be cold for this as well, otherwise that is going to melt. So just be really generous, put a nice spoonful on the top of each muffin.
I thought I was being too generous there. Is that
No,
too much?
no, I don't think you can be too generous, really.
Oh, there we go, a little bit there.
Beautiful.
There.
You know what? I think they need a little bit more.
Bit more?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's better.
Look at me trying to hold back on our ganache.
No. It's called triple choc goodness for a reason, right? This will set really nicely too. So even if you're not eating them all today, which let's face it, they're fairly rich, you're probably not going to eat more than one.
One now, one later.
Yeah, absolutely. So that'll set and then it'll go a little bit firm.
Yeah.
And will be just as beautiful tomorrow.
And I love this little gold.
I know, how gorgeous is it?
They look sensational. I mean, we have to have a taste, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like you said, they are rich.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
How good does that look? All those melty bits of the chocolate chips in the middle. Cheers.
happy food right there, isn't it?
Absolutely, and indulgent, which I just love every now and again.
I love it, Steph. I love your recipes. This is the food that I just love. So good. Thank you.
You're welcome.